Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a new indie brand to talk to you guys about today, and I picked up the Ladybug Glow Murky Waters palette. I cannot wait to try this palette out for you guys. We'll start off with some swatches and then I'll show you guys a couple looks, and I'm just really excited for this one. I've heard lots of good things about the brand, and I think this might be something you enjoy. If you guys want to see this palette in action, total first impression of Ladybug Glow, keep on watching. So here is an up-close look at the cover art of Murky Waters. We open it up and we're getting 8 amazing shadows. These are 4 duochromes, 3 mattes, and 1 matte that has a little bit of sparkle to it. This palette retails for $29 on their Etsy site, and it is available right now for purchase. And here are some swatches of the Murky Waters palette. Loved the way this palette swatched. So good. I am ready to dive into this palette. Now, I've primed my eyelids already with, surprise, a different primer than the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, but I've been trying this new one out from Drizzle. They did send this to me in PR, so I've really been liking it. It has a lot of tack to it. So where are we going to start? What do we want to do? I'm all about green, guys. You know, I am loving a green moment. I'm even wearing kind of like a little greenish t-shirt here today. So I think I want to focus this shade right here. I'm going to work with these 2 shades because this is like more of the lime green and this is the darker green. And then for the second look, I'll focus over here because I love the combination of blue and brown together. So I'll start first with this one right here. This one is called Seaweed. And I'm taking Seaweed on a Game Beauty E01. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from Ladybug Glow Cosmetics. I just learned about them. I learned about them from Christina, the owner of Hormone Girls, and I learned about them from my friend Smithy Sunny here on YouTube. She's actually the one that kind of really sold me on this palette. I was watching her video one day, I think it was last week, and it just, I mean, she nailed it. She really sold me on this palette, and she has a code. I don't have a code with the brand, but I will have Smithy's code in the description box, and her link. That way, if in case you want to order this palette, which this palette is limited edition, by the way, but it's still in stock. It's still available for 29 bucks. I'll have that link in the description box. And I also wanted to mention that Amanda, the owner of Ladybug Glow Cosmetics, she reached out to me and she was so glad because I had put on their Instagram that I had ordered the palette, and she actually included their very first palette in my order. Look at how cute this packaging is. She added the little ladybug there with the sticker. I'll show you guys this palette in a second, and she had of course included like a handwritten note. I thought that was just such a cute touch. So I did purchase Murky Waters on my own, but she was kind enough to gift me with their original palette. So this green is performing really well. I thought I was gonna need to maybe add a white base to it, but yeah, no, I don't think so. This went on fabulously. No complaints right here from the screen. This is exactly what I like to see. I'm going to extend it out just a little bit since I'm going to be working with a darker green right now. And so this is going to be like a good transition shade. Now on a Rephr 14, I'm going in with that darker green called Lagoon. And I will say that when swatching this palette, man, those duochromes are so buttery, so smooth. It was nice to swatch this palette. It even photographed well the swatches. I'm just really excited. I'm really excited. I'm always excited to try new indie makeup brands, and yeah, very happy I got this one. Okay, so both of those shades together, amazing. perfect. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the green, the very light green right there. But yeah, great blend. Now, which of these beautiful duochromes are we going to choose? I think I'm gonna go with Shellfish, okay? I'm gonna lay down some NYX glitter primer first though. I'm just using my Morphe M124 for the NYX glitter primer. Put that all over the lid, a little bit here in the inner corner. All right, now I'm picking up Shellfish. I think I'll try to do two. I'll do something different for the inner portion, but oh my goodness, look at this shade. Wow. For 29 bucks, this palette, 4 duochromes, that's a pretty good deal to me. I think I'm gonna go in next with this shade right here. This one's called Atlantis. This has a little bit of like a pink shift to it. Wow. Totally impressed. Very much. All right, now I'm going to go in with the blue shade for the lower lash line. And this is the one that has a little bit of sparkle to it, kind of like a little sequin shade, but it's actually not that much. Definitely treat it as a matte. This one's called Flounder. And I'm using a BK207. And on a damp Rephr 03, I'm going back in with the shade Atlantis, just to add it right in here to this inner corner. This is beautiful. Like, this is my color story all day long. I love anything ocean themed, mermaid themed. I'm a Pisces, what can I say? Oh, guys. Okay, I'm gonna pop off camera, add some finishing touches. I might do lashes. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do lashes. I'm not gonna do lashes because I am fixing to head out for the day and I'm gonna be wearing like a cap and sunglasses, and sometimes the sunglasses and the lashes, they just don't mix. So I'll be right back, do the finishing touches, and then I'll show you guys the completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 1. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is the latest from Flower Beauty. This is their Dream Warrior Mascara. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Skinny Liner for the top lash line. And I think some of you all are probably expecting me to use my Give by Gwen Stefani blue eyeliner, but I didn't. I reached for this one from ColourPop, and it's like a nice purple that kind of picks up on a little bit of this inner corner shade right there. This one is called, is it Spring Break? Wow, it's called Spring Break, and I'm officially on spring break. Today is my first day of spring break. I'm so excited. But this is the completed look. I love it. I love it. I didn't have any issues with any of these shadows. This is just my color story all day long. This is what I love. I'm really excited to start creating look number 2. Let's get started on it. All right, here we go for look number 2. So I'm thinking I want to do something a little bit different. I think I want to pack that matte brown all over the lid. Maybe I should do the blue, because then I was thinking of doing the blue like on the lower lash line, but I kind of already did that over here. Okay, so we'll do it opposite. I'm going to pack this blue all over the lid, and this brown is going to be what I'm going to use for the lower lash line, and then we're going to play with the last 2 duochromes that I haven't gotten a chance to use yet, which are this one and this one. So I'll start first with Flounder. And I'm taking Flounder on a BK203. So this is that shade that has the sparkle to it, but as you can see, as I'm packing it on, it's just blending itself away. So please don't be intimidated or discouraged about that. I know like sequin type of shades aren't for everybody, but this is a good one. This is not gonna add that glitter or anything to the look. It's a perfect shade to do what I'm doing right now, and even just to add it to the crease. So Don't let that discourage you from using it just because it has a little tiny bit of sparkle in it. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Murky Waters. But first, I'm going to lay down my NYX Glitter Primer. Same Morphe M124. Now we're going in with Murky Waters. I'm going to get a little Refer 13 and just kind of blend that outward edge. Now I'm going to pick up Merman, which was that first green shimmer. I picked up a little bit of the shade Flounder with my Refer 13, just so I can blend this little edge here, the crease. Now you also want to be careful with the blue that you don't over blend it. Just very softly. Now I'm going to do the last matte shade down here. This one's called Treasure. And I'm taking Treasure on a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Okay, loving the look. For the inner corner, I think I'm going to go in with Shellfish. And I'm using my damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. And with that, guys, I am going to take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, here's the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one is in the shade Blue Trip. Love it. Absolutely love it. I'm very impressed, guys. Very impressed. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video. And in case you don't know my final thoughts already, I'm gonna share them with you. Alright guys, so first impression of Ladybug Glow Cosmetics. Amazing first impression. I mean, just everything. I've heard good things about the brand. They're a very small indie makeup brand. They are available on Etsy right now. That is the only place where they are selling their products. But boy, oh boy, did this brand really blow me away. The Murky Waters palette is in stock right now. I think it's low stock, so if you like what you see, I would definitely run, not walk, to pick up this palette. This is a really cute 8-pan palette. We don't get a lot of 8-pan palettes. We usually get, 9, 12, 16. I like that this is small. I like that the color story is very cohesive. 4 mattes, 4 duochromes at a $29 price tag. You even get a mirror over here. Yeah, if you've been kind of watching them on Instagram, maybe you've never heard of them before, or maybe you've just, seen them and you're not really too sure like what to get, definitely grab this palette. Murky Waters is getting 2 thumbs up from me. I had no issues blending out the mattes. The duochromes are fabulous. I would definitely use like a NYX glitter primer or some type of glitter glue for them just so that they could adhere better to the eyelid, but I'm so happy I ordered this palette. I'm so happy I ordered this. This is just my color story. You have the mermaid here on the front. Ladybug Glow, Amanda, the owner, congratulations on a beautiful release. I did say I was going to show you guys the palette that she did gift me. I bought the other one. This one was gifted, but how cute is this Ladybug on there? That's just all of the little details that indie makeup brands do. We don't get that from larger scale brands, but these indie brands, they know how to treat their customers and make us just feel extra special. So this is her Ladybug Glow palette. This was her very first eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. I think you can get a bundle, if I'm not mistaken. I think I saw both of these together for about $48. So maybe that's something you want to try if you want to get some more matte shades, because this looks like it is 5, 6, 7 different matte shades and then 3 shimmer shades right there. So I'll definitely be using this palette in an upcoming video, never fear. But Thank you so much, Amanda, for gifting me this palette. And let me know your thoughts now, guys. What did you think of this new Murky Waters palette from Ladybug Glow Cosmetics? Are you going to be picking it up? I hope you guys do. It's always nice to support small business, and I'm really excited to see what else Ladybug Glow has in store for us for 2023. Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know which look you like best. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.